Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 7 things about arrays in Ruby. Number 1, to create a brand new array, you can either use the square brackets or use the array.new class method. Number 2, to get the length of an array, you can either use the length method, size method, or the count method. Number 3, use the array.new class method with parameters to assign the same value to all the array elements. On line 15, I'm assigning the property string to all 3 elements of the array. Number 4, you can also use a block with array.new class method. Number 5, you can leverage the at method to access an array element at a given index. On line 24, I'm printing the element at index 3. Number 6, you can use the push method to append to an array and use the pop method to remove an element from the very end. In this example, I'm first using the push method to add 6 at the very end of the array and then using the pop method to remove it. Last but not the least, number 7, use the each method to iterate over the array and reverse underscore each method to iterate in the reverse order. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.